If you are typing something into your Instagram charts, but if you are getting old suggestions when you are typing, then I'm gonna show you the steps on how you can clear those suggestions and reset them. The first thing we have to do is to open the Instagram app and then tap on the search bar. I have lot of search history piled up in here, which I didn't remove recently. And this search history can influence those search suggestions. So the first thing that I need to do is to completely delete my search history on Instagram. And we can do this by tapping this see all option and then clear all. Now that the search history has been completely deleted, now we can go over to the next step. If you try and search something on the search bar, you will still get these old suggestions, but they may appear less since we have removed our search history. But in order for us to completely remove those suggestions, we will need to tap over to the Instagram setting page. Then click on the three horizontal lines, because we are looking for a feature which Instagram recently added, and that feature is located under the content preferences section. Here is the option. I will tap on it. And what this will do, it will reset Instagram's entire algorithm. The next button. This means Instagram will forget what you have been searching for and interacting with, and it will stop showing you those old suggestions based on your past activity. To confirm the reset, tap on Reset Suggested Content. Now when you go back to your search and start typing, those old suggestions should be completely gone. Instagram will start fresh and only show you new suggestions based on what you searched for from now on.